Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance. This Tiguan is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-motion all-wheel drive. It's finished in a pearlescent deep black paintwork and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the stylish 20-inch Miramar alloy wheels. And to the front, the reliable automatic headlights with daytime running lights that provide outstanding all-day visibility. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you'll find the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the car's swivelling tow bar. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with the Vienna leather upholstery, which featured a folding central armrest and cup holder and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you've got climate controls and USB port. Moving into the cabin, and you'll find the pair of front comfort seats with power adjustable lumbar support, alongside other features such as cup holders, storage inside the adjustable armrest and a wireless phone charging station. The multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and controls for your digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can customise the display with a variety of options. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. You can check your vehicle status and settings available. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and can highlight points of interest. Assistant activates the car's IQ Drive safety features. And sound allows you to customise your speaker's equaliser settings and change the position of audio output. Beneath the display you'll find the car's electric climate control system with heated front seat functionality. Driver profile selection is also available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. The Tiguan also comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. The roof of the cabin features a light-up vanity mirror, SOS button, reading lights and controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching and look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.